Our cell phone network gate or door intercoms provide cell phone capability mounted in an outdoor housing. When a visitor presses a button on the front, it calls the tenant's phone number programmed into it. The phone called can be a landline or a mobile phone. To use this type of intercom, you just need good cell phone service at the point you want to install it, and then the intercom will call tenants no matter where in the world they are. The systems come with a SIM card that can be activated with AT&T for a low monthly rate, or you can provide your own service. Most of our systems use the global GSM technology, so they won't work on networks like Sprint or Verizon. Pressing the star key on a tenant phone activates a switch contact in the intercom. That switch is connected to a gate controller or electric door strike. These intercoms are compatible with any type of opener that requires switch closure or opening. Units also have a keypad that can be used to activate an electric door strike or gate opener. Each tenant can have one keypad code. The keypad can also have restricted codes that work during preset times or days of the week, or temporary codes that auto-expire at a preset time. Each tenant's mobile phone number can be programmed into the intercom so they can open a gate or door when the intercom is called. If a programmed telephone number calls a gate or door, it automatically activates its opener based on that person's calling line ID info. This enables tenants to let themselves in by simply calling the intercom's phone number from their mobile phone. An app is available for both Android and Apple devices and a Windows PC that is used for programming. The app sets up all features including auto relay trigger times, which are automatic time clock events that unlatch the gate or door during specified times, or do not disturb, which deactivates the intercom's call button after pre-programmed hours. The phone app also has manager controls that enable the manager to manually control the gate or door anytime. If you want to connect external keypads or proximity card readers, you can do that through slave connections using Cat5 wire. They can be up to 300 feet away if the device powers itself, or 30 feet if powered from the intercom. Units with built-in proximity card readers are also available. Want to keep track of who enters and when? The app also keeps an event log so you can view this info. These systems can save time and expense over installing wired systems or systems that use landlines that are phasing out and getting expensive. To find out if this unit is right for you, call us at 888-298-9489 and let our experts help you find the right system for your needs.